Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge. Because unfortunately we have now installed by default the always on display option, that's why I just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download and done installing on your device. Then just tap to open the app and click here to draw our apps. So just find here Muviz Edge application, click on the switcher and go back. After that, you'll see here the AD section. Tap on it and select one from these available tabs. Just tap to apply. Now it's applied successfully, so let's just lock the device. And we can see that the always on display option is successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.